Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Have you noticed your teeth looking longer or felt that sharp sting when drinking something cold? That's not just aging, it could be gum recession. Millions of people deal with this problem, yet most doesn't realize that simple natural methods can actually help protect and even restore gum health. Today I will share 3 powerful techniques, including one that most people have never heard of. Make sure to watch until the end, you don't want to miss it. Method 1. Oil pulling, the ancient secret. This practice goes back thousands of years, but modern science is finally catching up. To try oil pulling, simply swish 1 tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with warm water before brushing your teeth. This doesn't just freshen your breath, it reduces harmful bacteria and plaque, 2 major culprits behind gum recession. By lowering inflammation, oil pulling gives your gums the perfect environment to heal. It may sound simple, but many people who try it notice stronger, healthier gums within weeks. Method 2. Gum massage, healing at your fingertips. The second method requires no special tools, just your clean fingers. Gently massaging your gums for 2 to 3 minutes a day stimulates blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to the tissue. This boosts healing and helps your gums stay firm around your teeth. Want to take it up a notch? Add a drop of olive oil or clove oil to your fingertip. Both are natural germ fighters that calm irritation and give your gums an extra layer of protection. Method 3. Green tea, the everyday protector. Here's the method most people overlook. Green tea. Yes, a simple cup of green tea can do wonders for your gums. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea reduces inflammation, fights bacteria, and helps your gums hold tight to your teeth. Studies even show that people who drink green tea regularly have healthier gums and less bleeding. Think of it as a daily shield for your mouth, easy, natural, and incredibly effective. Gum recession may sound scary, but these 3 methods, oil pulling, gum massage, and green tea, can make a real difference. They are natural, safe, and can easily become part of your daily routine. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Natural Remedies. Click the bell button and give this video a thumbs up. That way, you will never miss more health tips that could protect your smile and your health.